You are watching How to Explore. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.
The surprising effects of drinking turmeric milk on your body. Turmeric milk, also known as golden milk, has been gaining popularity in recent years due to its numerous health benefits. Derived from the turmeric root, this vibrant yellow spice has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. One of the key components of turmeric is curcumin, a powerful compound that gives it its distinct color and therapeutic effects. Curcumin has been found to have a wide range of health benefits, including reducing inflammation, boosting immune function, improving digestion, and promoting overall well-being. In this video, we will delve deeper into the various health benefits of turmeric milk and explore how it can improve your overall health and well-being. We will uncover the many wonders of turmeric milk and discover why it deserves a place in your daily wellness routine. Turmeric and its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric, a golden spice commonly found in many kitchens, has gained recognition for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. This humble ingredient has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and is now making waves in the modern health and wellness industry. The active compound responsible for turmeric's anti-inflammatory effects is curcumin. Curcumin has been extensively studied for its ability to reduce inflammation in the body, making it a valuable tool in managing chronic conditions such as arthritis, heart disease, and even certain types of cancer. The impact of turmeric milk on digestion and gut health. Turmeric milk has gained significant attention in recent years for its potential impact on digestion and gut health. As more people become interested in natural ways to support their digestive system, turmeric milk has emerged as a popular choice. Digestive issues are increasingly common in today's fast-paced world, often attributed to poor dietary choices and high levels of stress. Turmeric milk offers a gentle yet effective approach to promoting healthy digestion. Turmeric milk as a natural remedy for joint pain and arthritis. In today's fast-paced world, more and more people are seeking natural remedies for various health issues, including joint pain and arthritis. The use of turmeric milk as a natural remedy for joint pain and arthritis is not only backed by anecdotal evidence, but also supported by scientific research. Studies have shown that curcumin can inhibit inflammatory pathways in the body, thereby reducing swelling and easing discomfort in the joints. The role of turmeric milk in boosting immunity and fighting infections. In today's fast-paced and hectic world, maintaining a strong immune system is more important than ever. With the rise of various infections and illnesses, people are constantly seeking natural remedies to boost their immunity. One such remedy that has gained significant attention is turmeric milk. The role of turmeric milk in boosting immunity lies in its ability to enhance the body's natural defense mechanisms. In conclusion, turmeric milk has emerged as an increasingly popular choice for those looking to naturally boost their immunity and fight off infections.